Marital rape. The issue of marital rape has shown a giant loophole in the country's judicial law. Marital rape is the act of non-consensual sexual intercourse with one's spouse. It is considered as a form of sexual abuse and comes within the ambit of domestic violence. Marriage has been traditionally understood in any society as an institution where a husband has control over his wife's life. Section 375 of the Indian Penal Code defines rape and Section 376 stipulates punishment for the same. But the Act has failed to protect married women who are subjected to rape by her own husband. We must realize that a woman is not her husband's chattel, and marriage does not simply mean constant consent for intercourse. Women are not baby-making machines, and they have the right to their bodily autonomy. The inability of the law to deal with the marital rape exposes the fact that the law predominantly serves aspirants of the dominant class at the expense of the weak and marginalized. The only standard that must be looked at is if the women feel violated, the crime has been necessarily committed. Thank you.